Exclusive at hashtag $reviews. Once again, I'm your host, Puma/Illwill. Please share, like, subscribe. Please share, like, subscribe. Okay, I have 3 items that I'm going to share with you today. Okay, I have a full HD dual camera dash cam, front, back camera. Okay, one thing that I like about this, once again, I'm giving this a 5-star, absolutely a 5-star. This device is excellent. Okay, so I have this dual camera you can use for your vehicle, for your safety when you're driving, for your safety if you have passengers. This records back and front. Okay, one thing that another feature that I like about this is that you can like move it. You can move it in different directions. Okay, so while this is mounted on your windshield, you can move it in different directions, which is excellent. Okay, so this device is excellent. And also, when you turn off your vehicle, and once you turn your vehicle back on, this automatically comes back on. So you don't have to remember to like turn the power on. It comes on automatically. That is one feature that I love about this. Okay, I'm going to come back and do a better feature film or a video or segment on this camera. And I want to share more details with you. But I will turn this box around so you can see the specs on this camera. And I would say this camera is I bought it on sale at Best Buy for $100, and this is an excellent buy. Once again, I'll give you more details on this. I'm just giving you a quick segment on this. Now I'm gonna roll over here. I have a taser. Saber taser. Excellent item. I recommend you go buy this too. It has a flashlight. This flashlight also, it has a button on here, as you can see. I bought this at Big 5, and I believe it was either $20 or $30. Okay, so once again, I'm gonna push this button, and it flashes. You see that? So if you're out in the dark and you're trying to get somebody's attention, you can use that. Okay. Then also it has a taser. So if you need to protect yourself, it's a no-brainer. So, you know, nowadays there's a lot of crazy stuff going on. Now, let me move along. I have the Wicked Audio. Okay, I did a review on this already. One of the features that I forgot to mention is it has a control. Let me show you that. This has a control buttons. So I listen to Pandora a lot. So when I listen to Pandora, I can scroll. Okay, you got a volume up and a volume down button. Okay, but also if you hold it down long enough, you can scroll through your songs in Pandora. So like if you're driving and you need to scroll through your music while you're driving, this will connect with the app on your phone. As far as Pandora, I have a Samsung, and it's excellent. So once again, I'm running out of time. This is Puma/Illwill. Please share, like, and subscribe. And once again, I will come back with an update, detailed information on this full HD dual camera dash cam. So enjoy, and please share, like, and subscribe. Once again, this is your host, Puma. Thank you.